Bit of an update on the Metro. I threw a little bit of stuff at it. I got my lights all prepped to tear out. I'm waiting for those. I actually got the lights, but I'm waiting for the connectors to show up. I gotta take all this off. I just don't want to have the thing jacked up in the air and sitting for 3 days if I don't have to. Threw a new PCV in it, air cleaner, all that. Checked out the spark plugs, everything's good there. Gave it a rough tune-up, but not a full tune-up. Still needs the oil changed. The seat was sticking, so I tore up the seat. I ordered a new, I tried to fix it, but it ain't happening. That little seat mechanism was just trashed. So I ordered a new one of those. I still gotta do the weather stripping in this pile. It's got gaps here and there. I just gotta fill it in with universal weather stripping crap. I gotta get that plow out of here. Throwing a radio in it. I had that little Mazda POS thing, and they did this with the speakers. The front speakers work. I mean, I'd be ticked off if they didn't. But the front speakers work. The rear speakers don't work. I got them hooked up, but there's nothing there. They might even be cut. I'll throw some speakers in it later. I don't care. Really, as long as I got some kind of radio. This little radio thing is all Bluetooth, yada yada. It's basically all it is. It's some cheap little thing that if somebody steals it, I won't be super butthurt, you know. I ain't trying to show off. I got a shifter ordered. I'm putting one seated heat in this thing, and I got a. That's what this wire is. This is going to be my wire for a bigger 12-volt thing, so that I can run heated seats in here without even coming close to burning up the factory thing. And anyway, I got the thing running good now. Let's get a little cold start going on. Turn signals on. Beep, beep, beep. Come on. There we are. And yada yada. Oh, it would squeak, wouldn't it? Anyway, so yeah, she sounds good. Idle's good, like I say, and it's cold. But yeah, listen to this sucker. It sounds a little mean now. little mean Metro. I don't have an exhaust leak. It's just, all it is a muffler. I live in Michigan, we can get away with it. All it is a muffler, and yeah. She sounds mean. So yeah, that's where I'm at. A lot of stuff in the mail. I got a new radiator and a new radiator fan coming. All aluminum radiator. And everything's cheap for this car, which is kind of cool. So yeah, because this radiator, I don't know, man. I ain't running that. I mean, it could be worse, but it's not leaking yet. So yeah, radiator. And the fan I get is supposed to be lower profile because that little thing's hinting. Shouldn't be hinting, but it's hinting. So I'm going just a bit lower profile. Move this up probably half an inch, and that'll clear that. You won't have an issue. Got all new hoses coming. A lot of stuff's in the mail. Simple as that. Amazon, eBay, all kinds of stuff going on. But yeah, I'm waiting on stuff right now. But that's where I'm at. You heard it. She sounds nice for what it is. So yeah, that's where I'm at.